Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Splunk 9.4 Enterprise Edition on Kali Linux. So open any web browser, go to Splunk official website, that is splunk.com. See, click on products, then click on free trials and downloads. If you are unable to find this tab, then go to the bottom. See here also we have the same free trial and downloads. Okay, so click on products, then click on free trials and downloads. Then see here we have this Splunk cloud platform, Splunk Enterprise. Okay, and it is free for 60 days for 500 MB per day. Okay, click on get my free trial. Then we have to register. See, try Splunk Enterprise free for 60 days, no credit card required. So then we have to fill all these details. Once we fill all these details, we have to click on create your account. Okay, then we will receive email like this one. Okay, so after that we have to click on verify your email or open this link. So I have already registered, so click on login. In your case, you will directly get the link to download. See, now we got the download page. Okay, now click on Linux. Then see here we have the three types of packages. So we have to download this .debian package for the Kali Linux. So click on download now. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 877 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Then go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See, we have the Splunk 9.4 Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dp kg-i. Then give Splunk, give the tab to autofill and hit enter. See, it is installing Splunk 9.4. See, installation is completed. Now we have to start this Splunk service. Okay, so click on solutions, click on resources, then documentation, then click on Splunk Enterprise, then click on installation manual, then select install Splunk Enterprise Linux or Mac OS, then select install on Linux, then scroll down. See here, this is the, now check the Splunk status by running this command. Copy it, paste it. See, Splunk is installed. Okay, so we have to start it. So start it and create administrator credentials. So you have to click on this one. I will keep this link in the video description. Click on it. Go to on Linux, then go to Splunk install directory, that is cd/opt cd opt ls. See here we have the Splunk directory, cd Splunk ls. See here we have the Splunk folders. Go to bin directory ls. See here we have different Splunk related files. Okay, so start the Splunk service. Sudo //Splunk, then give the start, hit enter. See, this is the license agreement. Press spacebar from your keyboard until we get the confirmation. Now type Y for the confirmation and hit enter. then create the administrator username. I'm giving administrator username as admin. It is up to you. You can give like Splunk admin or anything. Then set the password for this Splunk administrator user. So confirm the same, hit enter. See, we have successfully set the password and Splunk service is starting. Okay. See, all preliminary checks passed, and this is the web server. Okay. After this, see, this is the web interface. Okay. So this is the web interface for this Splunk. So copy it, then open new tab, paste it, hit enter. See, this is the host name of this machine. Okay. See, this is the same, and 8000 is the port for the Splunk. You can also use IP or localhost. Anything is fine. Okay. Now give the username that we have given. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. Then click on sign in. Not now. See, this is the Splunk dashboard. Okay, dashboard, history, recently viewed, and etc. If you want to change the password of this account, click on administrator, then account settings. Then you have to provide email. It is optional, old password, and set the new password. Okay, so we want to go back, just click on this enterprise, and if you want to create a new user, then click on settings. See, here we have different options. Okay, you can practice like add data, explore data, monitoring console. Okay, and if you want to add users, click on in this users and authentication section, click on users, then click on new user, or if you want to edit the current one, you have to click on here. So click on new user, then you have to fill all these details, then you have to click on create. Okay, this is the way to create. As I told you, you can also get this Splunk web interface by using localhost, then port number 8000. See, we got the same console. Also, we can give the loopback IP or IP address. Let us verify the IP of this machine. ifconfig. See, this is the IP. Okay, so copy it, paste it, give the 8000. We got the same console. Also, we can give loopback IP, that is 127.0.0.18000. For this also we will get the same login console. Okay, so close all this. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart Splunk service. I mean Splunk install directory, that is /opt splunk bin. Okay, so to verify the status, just give Splunk sudo // status. See, Splunk D service is running, but we can't verify the status. Sudo systemctl status Splunk. See, we don't have any service. Even if you try to give Splunk D, it won't work. Okay, so if you want to stop, just give same sudo /, but you must be in Splunk installed directory, then bin directory. Splunk stop, hit enter. See, Splunk service is successfully stopped. We can verify by giving same but status. See, Splunk D is not running. Even if you reload this page, it won't work. See, unable to connect. So start it again by just replace this status with start. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, Splunk D is running, and reload this page. See, now we got the login console. Now if you want to restart, just replace this start with status with restart. Hit enter. See, now first it is stopping the Splunk D server. It is stopped. Now it is starting again. While starting, you see, if we try to load page, it won't work. So we have to wait until completely starting the service. It is started. Reload again. See, we are able to start. Okay, so we have successfully started. Now go to downloads directory, downloads ls. See, we have successfully installed Splunk 9.4 enterprise exchange. So this .debian package is not required anymore. So remove this one. RM Splunk, give the tab to autofill, hit enter, ls. See, we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure Splunk 9.4 enterprise edition on Kali Linux 2024. Okay, the process is same on all Kali Linux versions. For more Splunk or Kali Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.